Hey everybody, this is Brother Joe, and this is Andre.
Hello.
And tell us what kind of stuff you need, my man.
I need clothing, warm and stuff.
Okay, and you said you need pillows too, right?
Yeah, I need
and
pillows,
blankets, sleeping bags.
Yeah, I need all of that.
Tell everybody what happened. You said you were telling about your
My head,
accident.
Actually, I had just got my new job.
Okay.
And I was working there for a little while. And what happened was I was riding down the street. The police was chasing somebody. They was chasing him, but they ran into me.
Oh boy.
So after that, I ended up.
We'll get you hooked up, okay? You need boots? What size? You need boots?
102.
Okay, do you need boots or not? I think you just dropped the flag. What size boots you wear? Your driver's license. Okay, last time I'm asking, you need boots?
not me, right?